Hello everyone, hope you are all doing great. Today we are diving into something super important for your email marketing success, that is called audience management in Mailchimp. Whenever you are just starting out or looking to set up your game, knowing how to create, organize and manage your audience is key. So let's start our journey together. Now let's bring in your existing contact and how you can import it. I will showing it to you here. So first of all, we need to click here all contacts, then we need to choose here add contacts, then we can select import contacts. So now if you have only like this or email address, only email, so that way you can just select all and copy, then you can came here, copy and paste that section and just simply paste here. Then you need to select here continue to organize. Make sure all of the time when you import audience on Mailchimp account, you need to tick mark this one so that any of audience will be not duplicated anyway. So now click on the continue to tag. So now you need to understand what is tag. Use tag to label contacts based on action or attributes like attending an event or making purchase. Tag make it easy to find and target a specific group quickly. So we can provide a name, this one like sample one. So we just put this audience list as a sample one name so that we can find it out easily. Just simply continue and we are click select here complete import. Your import was successful. So if we click now here, if we refresh here, you can see we have already, our audience is already updated. Okay, and we provide name here sample one, so all of the is coming with sample one. It is simple, right? Okay, now we are going to more deep. So for that we need to choose another list. Suppose if we have like this kind of audience list, how we can import them? This way we have first name, last name, full name, email and such of more data. So on that scenario, first of all we are going to choose here, click on the file. We are going to download this file as a CSV format. Okay, so the file is already exported here, so we can came here and select on the import contacts. When you have multiple below, we need to choose this one, upload a file. Another thing, make sure the format is in order, otherwise you cannot import the audience perfectly. So we can select here browse. We have already downloaded. I just select this one and continue to organize and make sure select this one continue to tag. So for this time we are going to provide name, tag name as a sample2. So tag means as a label so that you can understand which of the audience of group. So here you can see now you are seeing something new. The first name automatically taken, last name also, full name is not taken, and this other field are not take orderly. So what we can do for that, click on the fan icon and click here. You can see lots of default field are already made, but these are full name, so we are going to create a new field. We can put name, full name and its text, so we are select this one and confirm. So this field is okay. Now this one is company LinkedIn URL. Okay, so for that there is nothing there, so we need to create it. So like we can put a name here. So I just provide a name here, LinkedIn URL, and it's a link, so we need to change here. We need to select here website. Okay, then click on confirm. And same way this one I am just select with address combine, and this one I put, we can put city. Okay, so city, we can put it as a text, and this one will be country. So we can create this way. If you need to create any of new field, that way you can create. So whenever you create everything in order, then click on continue to subscribe and finalize import, complete import. Your import was successful. So now if we can exit here, and if we refresh here you can see our data is updated. Now if you have a scenario like you want to only import one of people data, on that section what you can do, you need to select this one, add a single subscriber. So you can put the name here, you can put their name, and address you can put. I am not normally put it, just simply this person give me permission to email them, and if you select this one, the data will be never duplicate. So add contact, this way you can import single wise also. That is the thing. I hope you understand. Now I have already created a scenario. If you look on that screen, we have crossed 1000 audience more than. If you remember, Mailchimp provide their pre-plan 500 contacts. So how we can working with this 1000 audience? So what we can do, we can archive audience so that Mailchimp will be not charges you. So how you can archive them? Archive means hide audience from your list. So how you can perform this? You need to click here, audience, all contacts. Just I am normally showing you two. I just select these two audience. I am just going to archive this. Archive means hidden. You need to type it here and click on the archive. So if you look here now, if I refresh, the audience will be 999. Here you can see. So similarly, if you want to tag wise, if you need to hide audience, you can do that. Just click on the view section and click on the all. Here basically with 25 is selected. If I select all 950, all are selected. So now if I click on the archive contacts, and all are going to hidden. Just Mailchimp will be take few times, it will be hidden, and Mailchimp this notification will be going sometime later. Okay, so this way you can archive them audience, so that whoever not important for you, you can hidden them from your database. Now if you look here, continuous basics, it's Mailchimp already hidden them. So I just refresh it. Here you can see. So now I am showing you how you can back them in later. If you need this data again, how you can back them. For that you need to click on manage audience. Under drop down you need to click on the view archive contacts. If you click here, then it will be showing us how many people are archiving. Here you can see already 705 audience is archiving. How you can back them again? You can just click here, select visible, and click on the unarchive. Then all are will be back again. This way basically one time you can unarchive 100. So just select visible and unarchive. So this way you can back them. I just back maybe 200 something. So this way you can archive and unarchive them. So if you look here, the notification is going, Mailchimp said previously we need to update it. Now I am going to showing you more two things. It is how you can remove audience permanently. I mean how you can delete a audience permanently from your Mailchimp account. I just showing you this one. I just click here. If I click here, you will be see here the remove option. If you click here, permanently delete, and this audience will be deleted from Mailchimp account. Just look here, the audience is gone. So this way you can permanently delete also. So now if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe for more awesome email marketing tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.